In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a non-resident tax return using TurboTax. Filing taxes can often seem like a daunting task, especially if you're navigating the waters as a non-resident. But don't worry, TurboTax makes this process straightforward and manageable. Let's walk through it together, step by step. To begin, you'll need to access TurboTax online for the 2005 tax year. Open your web browser and head over to the TurboTax website. Once you're there, log into your account or create an account if you're new to TurboTax. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard. Next, you'll want to click on the section labeled My Info. This part of the process is crucial because it allows TurboTax to gather all the necessary details about your residency status and personal information. As you proceed, ensure that all the information you input is accurate and up to date, as this will affect your tax return. Now, navigate to the Other State Income section. This is where you'll report any income you earned from states other than the one where you're currently residing. Clicking here will bring you to a page where you can specify the states in which you earned income. After entering your details in the Other State Income section, you'll see an option to Review Edit. Click on this to double-check the information you've entered so far. It's always a good idea to verify everything to avoid any potential errors that might affect your filing later on. Once you've confirmed all the information, you'll be asked whether you made money in states other than your primary state. Select Yes, I made money in states other than my state. This affirmation will allow TurboTax to proceed with the preparation of your non-resident state tax returns. Finally, you'll need to choose the specific states where you earned income by clicking on the option labeled Select a State. Here, you can select each state where you've worked and ensure it reflects in your tax return. And there you have it. After completing these steps, TurboTax will guide you through the rest of the process to file your non-resident tax return. You'll be prompted to review your entire return and make any final adjustments before filing. Remember, TurboTax offers support and resources throughout the filing process, so don't hesitate to use them if you need additional assistance. By following these steps, you'll have your non-resident tax return filed in no time, leaving you with peace of mind and more time to focus on other things. Thanks for watching, and happy filing!